At Texhoma Dent Repair, we specialize in the art of paintless dent removal. This is a process where we remove dents from your vehicle without doing any paint work. Not only does this save your original paint, but it also retains the value of your vehicle. So if you have hail damage, minor dents and dings, to larger dents and even creases, most repairs can be done in as little time as 1 day. So come see the experts at Texhoma Dent Repair, located at 2016 Southwest Lee Boulevard, 580-695-3372, or look us up on the web, texhomadentrepair.com.